We are now going to read an article about pangolins so you can try and figure out the problem and the solution on your own and enter your answers into the next slide. Pangolins. There are more than 16,000 endangered species of plants and animals in the world. This means that 16,000 species are at risk of becoming extinct. One of those species is the pangolin. Pangolins are scaly creatures that live in Africa and Asia. Unfortunately, they are being hunted illegally by poachers who want their meat and scales. Pangolins are currently the world's most trafficked mammal, and as a result, their population is rapidly declining. There are always ways that we can help save the pangolin population. One way to help the pangolins is to inform the public about their plight. The more informed people are about the threat of pangolins, the less likely they are to purchase products containing their meat or scales. Governments and animal foundations are also working together to put stronger laws in place to discourage poachers. With more awareness and stronger laws and consequences for poachers, we can save the pangolins from extinction. So, I was curious about what a pangolin actually looks like, so I went ahead and Googled it. Give me 1 second to show you. So, these are pangolins. They are a armored, shelled anteater, and they also kind of remind me of like an armadillo with the armor on. So they're pretty cute. Sad that they are extinct. This one's super cute. So you are going to tell me in the next slide what is the problem in that article about pangolins and what is a solution to help save them.